Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Bubble for building your first US SaaS app, beginner guide step by step clearly. To register with Bubble for building your first US SaaS app, start by visiting the Bubble website at bubble.io. Once the page loads, you will see a prominent button labeled Sign Up or Get Started for free. Click that button to proceed to the registration page. You will have the option to sign up using your email address or a Google account. If you choose to use your email, enter your preferred email address in the designated field. Next, create a strong password that meets the specified requirements. This is optional, but if you would like to receive updates, feel free to check that box. After filling in the necessary fields, click the button to create your account. You might be prompted to verify your email address. Check your email for a verification link from Bubble. Click the link to confirm your email address and activate your account. Once verified, return to the Bubble website and log in using your email and password. Once logged in, you will be directed to your Bubble dashboard. From here, click on the New App button to start creating your SaaS application. You will be asked to name your app and, optionally, provide a description. Choose a name that reflects your application's purpose and aligns with your goals. Select a plan that suits your needs. You can start with the free plan initially. After selecting a plan, click Create a New App to begin the setup process. You will then be taken to the Bubble editor, where you can start designing your app. Begin by exploring the layout and tools available in the editor. Familiarize yourself with the user interface to make your development process smoother. Look for tutorials and take your time to experiment with features and functionality. Once you are comfortable, start building the core components of your SaaS app. Utilize Bubble's various plugins and templates to enhance your application. As you progress, remember to save your work frequently. Once your app is ready for testing, you can preview it using the Preview button. This will allow you to see how your app functions in a live environment. Make necessary adjustments and optimizations based on your testing. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.